Hey, YouTube! My old drinking buddy. Thanks for stopping by. Got another review for you. This one is not a beer. A good old Smirnoff signature screwdriver. My little sister requested it, so I'm gonna do it. Fuck it. It's a nice hot day, so give it a go. Nice smoke. It's got some carbonation. No head. Alright. It smells like an orange otter pop. Tastes like orange soda with some lemon in it. It's pretty good. I like it. Anyways, it's 5.8% ABV. It's pretty good. Pretty good for a girl drink. Any of you who don't know what a screwdriver normally is, it's normally orange juice and vodka and ice. Used to drink a lot of those before every softball game. Every time we either end up getting into a fight or almost getting into a fight. Anyways. Tastes like carbonated orange otter pop. It's not bad. Pretty good. Can't see myself drinking one of these unless, you know, I bought it for my wife. But I think she'd like it. I think, yeah, if you're on a date, maybe get it for your girl. Anyways, the taste is good. Cost, I don't remember how it cost. I went to Save Mart and created my own 6-pack. Got 3 of... Anyways, I forgot what I was talking about before. But yeah, it's a really good girly drink. It's not too bad. Personally, I like a regular screwdriver better. But give it a try. You might like it. And that's all I got for you, YouTube. Keep it real, homies.